Hello everyone, it's Joe Casadonti, Casadonti Homes, out here on my Upper Stump Road job, and we are doing our roof shingles today. Framer finished up yesterday, got the porch on, got some pent roofs on, got all the plywood done. So now we're shingling. Beautiful weather, and if you've seen my roof shingle videos before, this is how they typically go. I show what's going on. I show you how all this line up here as they're getting ready to shingle. This all gets ice and water shield. There's that white metal drip cap in the front that keeps everything, when the water's coming down off the shingle, keeps the water from going behind the soffit fascia and goes into the gutter instead of behind, keeping the wood from not rotting. You can see over in the corner here where the ice and water shield goes in every valley and every edge, and it goes up onto the wall, and then Tyvek will go over that, and then siding. Everything will be flashed properly. You can see up on the upper roof here where, again, there's every valley gets this heavy ice and water shield. It's like a heavy rubber. It's not just tar paper. And then the tar paper goes over that. The felt paper goes over that, and then the shingle. So right here on this roof, you can see all of that happening. You know, the drip cap, the ice and water shield, the tar paper, and the shingle. So we try to make sure everything is done right, and nobody's perfect, but we keep an eye on it. Now, these are the kind of things on your new home that, you know, there are no inspections on. You know, when townships and state do inspections, you know, their inspection, you know, they're rough mechanicals and framing and structure and concrete and footing, all those things. It's very important. And they do their job. They're doing a lot of inspections. We're probably slightly over-regulated at this point. But that said, things like the roofing install, the siding, how it's done, how windows are waterproofed, and how they're installed, none of that is part of an inspection within a township or anything like that. It's all about the builder doing his job and watching the job and making sure it's done right. So I try to take a series of pictures, videos, as you guys know if you watch, and keep a good record of how things are done, so we know we've done our best, and if there's ever an issue, we can look back on things. But I will walk this complete roof with these guys, make sure everything's going down. I can see that they're rolling out the ice and water shield up there now. I can see he's working on that corner. I can see what they're doing. I'm here, and that's what I do. So I'm gonna get back to work, but just wanted to give you an update on our Upper Stump Road house roof installation. Okay, have a good day.